Like Starbucks, you want Starbucks. Day after day, we discover ourselves wandering into that comforting, good-smelling foyer, leaving with a soak up our hand and a smile on our face. Sure, we may have spent $7 on a latte, but that's a controversy to tackle for an additional day. But other days, you cannot get their too beloved mermaid logo. Maybe you overslept. Maybe you do not want to play drive-through roulette and risk sitting in a very long line, or even you simply can't afford it. So, if you are like me and currently facing one among those three options, nothing sounds better than having the ability to make one amongst the world's most exquisite creations from the comfort of your kitchen. They say the planet is your oyster, but during this case, the globe is your coffee pot, your choice of milk alternative, some pumpkin spice seasoning, and your few perfectly cubed ice. Fresh coffee, fresh water, and some flavoring are all you need. And to add your own touch, use this electric coffee mixer, battery operated. Very good for trekking and lightweight. Get it now at an affordable price, only in one step. Just click on the link in the description box, and get a delicious when you coffee rich in foam.